Hi guys, my name is Barry and I just would like to tell you about the products that I recently purchased. So this is from Sugar Dolls Lip Tint. So the OG lip tint, this is a roller type lip tint that is packed with Sugar Dolls. So this is one of the favorite among women talaga, and it's been in the market since way back pa talaga. Ito na ginagamit namin since high school, and I am a millennial, so matagal na talaga sikat to sa market. So this is again Sugar Dolls multitask lip and cheek gel tint. What's good about this as well is that this is infused with SPF 15. So, may sun protection factor din to sa lips natin. And then, this is infused as well with vitamin E. So, this is moisturizing, hydrating. And this has a light, fruity and floral scent. Kaya, talaga siya, very comforting sa lips siya kapag ina-apply mo. So, again, this is multitasking. So, pwede siya sa lips and pwede siya sa cheeks. And then, they are available in 12 different colors. But I only have 8 colors. So, marami kayong pagpipilian dito. So, again, I have the pink sorbet, choco tart, I have peachy smoothie, sugar plum, sorry. And then I have Tutti Frutti. And then what I like best is the Lollipop Doll kasi napaka-light lang niya. So pwede talaga siyang blush on. And if I like more of a darker side, so I would like to have this one, which is the Berry Macaroon, since kapangalan ko siya. So Berry Macaroon. So again, I hope that you can try this. So, this is a roller type lip gel tint. So, masarap siya. Masarap siya. And then, of course, deeply hydrating and masarap kainin. And then, also, mabango siya. And then, of course, as a lip tint, this is infused again with vitamin E and SPF 15. So, ano pa ginagawa nyo, guys? Check it out and try the Sugar Dolls lip gel tint. So, this is the roller type, the OG one. Thank you.